Hello everybody. In the current affairs this week, the week ended 18th of January 2026. This week, the Nifty Metal Index in just 1 week appreciated by 4.55%. The same was the case for precious metals. Gold in India was up by 3.26% and silver appreciated by 16.10%. All of this appreciation in just 1 week. As we understand, these are massive gains in metals. This week, I would like to talk about 4 industrial metals which are placed in a manner that their demand is going to outstrip its supply. These 4 metals are copper, lithium, aluminium, and nickel. The primary reasons for these commodities why they need to be watched are, first and foremost, the demand from energy transition. The entire world is slowly, steadily, but definitely gravitating towards environmentally friendly ways of energy generation. And these technologies need a lot of these metals. Infrastructure across the world of a different kind is being built. And this infrastructure, like data centers, require a lot of these metals. EV vehicles are something which are increasing and are all set to take over the auto market. All these things lead to a cumulative large demand for these industrial metals. On the other side, the supply in respect of these metals have a lot of constraints, and hence these metals are all set to appreciate in the weeks and days to come. On the Indian stock market front, Nifty 50, Nifty mid cap and Nifty small cap were all unchanged. FIIs continued to be aggressive sellers to the extent of more than 14,200 crores, but DIIs supported the market very strongly by buying to the extent of more than 16,100 crores. Nifty Metal, as I said, was up by 4.55% and Nifty PSU Banks was up by 4.80% in the market which did not move anyway on an overall basis. On the commodity front, Brent crude was up by 1.25%, and one trend which I watched in case of silver is something which I would like to definitely throw some light on. In the global markets, silver was up in last 1 year by 179%, but in the Indian market, it appreciated by 207%. If we factor the depreciation of the Indian rupee in last 1 year, which was to the extent of 4.78%, still silver in India has appreciated by 23% faster than the global markets. The US dollar this week closed at 90 rupees and 71 paisa against 90 rupees and 24 paisa last week. Nasdaq and S&P 500 were unchanged, but MSCI Japan index was up by 4.21% this week. That is all for this week. Thank you.